Okay, traders. Oh, man. Wow, wow, wow. My name is Revan Wood. I go by Sage FT. I am the founder of the live trading desk on YouTube and sageft.com. I am exhausted. My voice is absolutely harsh. What a day. What a day. Let's take a look at the lay of the land. This is the daily chart of the NQ breaking through all structure, making it kind of a change of character. And technology is 30% of the ES right now. This is the NASDAQ 100, but nonetheless, it's a large percentage of the S&P 500. So what I was looking at, here's where all of this comes together, and then we take it from there. If we go back to August and September, here we go. All right, so now here's the first set of numbers that you need, 5675 to 5640. Mark those down. Second set of numbers that you need, 5667 to 5528. Mark those down. Here's the third set of numbers that you need, 5573, 5531. Okay, now let's zoom back over here because it's a gap. It's a big gap, right? But we have nothing else to draw upon. Fibonacci extensions, retracements. Okay, show me the 50% mark. Show me a couple other things. I'm not really looking for much more than that. We're breaking all of those every single day. Yeah, but it could snap back quick. Yeah, it sure could. Look at last time it tried. That was all you got. All right, so now, with that being said, if we have to look at the top of this thing before we even look at what we did today, okay? We have to understand that this was some people taking profit. It became a change of character and a break of structure at the same time, and so you're pressing upon, watch this. Watch this. They're pressing upon the highest volume bar. Watch. Press, test. Press, test. Try, fail, come back in. I've had this box drawn the whole time. You guys can check all the video on demand. The live trading desk, Sage FT on YouTube. You can go look at any video on demand. We don't scrub the videos. Now, here's the other thing that I was watching, and I've shown several times today that it works very, very well. And when it breaks, it's very, very strong. When you have a high to high, okay, extend it into the future. You don't know when it's going to come back into play. Now, what gave us more weakness or a sign that it was going to be weak again was this bar on this location failed. Old losing Rev is going long right here with his stop at the exact wrong spot, which is, let me try to read this, 5574 even. 5574 even. Okay, so now we've got the lay of the land into today. So now let's watch. If you just look at, remember the numbers from August to September, that's what all of this is, okay? Now let's go to the 15-minute chart. We didn't need the 4-hour for this one. We can skip that. Okay, we stay in first position. The 200 simple is straight down. And so what we're looking for is where do we begin to execute shorts again? Not try to look for the super long and be an awesome trader and catch the blah, 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 blah. Okay, there's no positive expected value in that whatsoever over a large sample size. Ask any professional. This is the starting gate. We came in at 8 in the morning. All right, so now it gave us a clue. It gave us a clue. The clue is we flushed out all of the previous work, and within another hour, all of the previous work was flushed, and it moved us into position 1 down on the 15-minute chart. Now, because there are so many new faces watching on all of the platforms, I'm going to explain what position 1 down means. Okay. What we have is, and this is very simple in the terms of, it's called the KISS chart. Keep it simple, silly. We have the 200 simple moving average. We have the 20 period simple moving average. We have the 8 EMA, because that is one of the majorly watched EMAs on the planet with the big traders. And so what we watch for is very, very simple, yet specific. If we zoom in right here, you guys are getting a treat today. And I want everyone to understand that this is the context. This is the context. Okay, so watch this. If we're in this hierarchy, okay, I'm going to draw a rectangle around it. Okay, so here's how it works. If you're below the 200 simple moving average that's decreasing at an increasing rate, and you're below the 20 period simple moving average that's increasing at an increasing rate that is beneath ditto, and you're below the 8 EMA. Okay, now here's the secret sauce. Here's the secret sauce. You guys can play this 1,000 times. You can check it. You can see it. Oh my God. How did I not think of that? Ready? The secret sauce is when the 8 EMA and price go through the 20 and turn it down and put it into this position that you see here, you are to sell only. Now, we trade the 15-minute chart. We enter on the 2-minute chart, okay? This works on every chart in existence. Rev, have you ever tested it on CL? I know it works. Have you ever tested it on the 12-second chart? I know it works, okay? Context. So then it brings us into today. Oh man, let's go to the 2-minute. See, here's the 15-minute without the candles, right? So here's what I just described. This is great. You guys will love this. Those of you that understand it really will appreciate. Look at this. It's all mapped out. Well, Rev, if someone asked yesterday, when you come in, do you have a bias? I have a bias that says over, if you were to take 1 million trades and you were to filter it through this, it would be very positive EV. You would have a very high expectancy. And if done correctly, you would have a very high profit factor. Perfect. So the way that we traded it was, as I alluded to, on the 2-minute chart, you wait for the same. Hold on, I'm going to move it over here on the 2-minute. Okay, there. Now you see it. Okay, so now remember what we just saw on the 15-minute. So we're looking for longs. Watch this. You guys will love this. Okay, we're looking for longs here. Now watch, it flips. We're looking for shorts here. Okay, it comes back up. We wait. We're looking for shorts here. Okay, it comes back up. We wait. We're looking for shorts here. Okay, so now watch this. There comes a time, and this is where, when you get to certain levels, that's when the experience of the professional kicks in. We noticed this was a plausible bottom. Now, there's people that take the trade where they go, okay, I'm going to call the bottom, and they do whatever, who knows if it's right or wrong. What we do, watch this, we wait for the pattern to repeat. Now, this would be counter trend. Now, remember, counter trend means we're below the 200 that's down sloping. But look at this. The pattern repeats itself. When price and the 8 EMA go through the 20 and change it the same color, you take the next pattern. Watch this. Watch this. We called this. We're going to get to that in a second. But what I want to show you is, see this right here? Now, I want to show you the specialty, the extra special sauce that people got in the live trading desk afternoon session. This is mind-blowing to me, and I'm the one that said it. All right, so now let's set it up. I already have it. No, let's look at it undrawn first. Okay, what we have here is where the 15-minute chart goes into first position again. It is also the order block, possibly breaker block in the series. Okay, I use the dramatic pause on purpose because it's going to set something up that you're going to go, oh my God, wow, how, what? Watch. One thing that I pointed out, fam, if you were in the afternoon session, you saw it called live, okay, was when we were right here. I showed everybody 5640 spot 25 to 5644. Now, here's the really cool thing. You go over to YouTube and you can watch it. I really set it in real time. There's no way we can go back and make it up. It was in real time with 200 people watching. When we were right here, I said, folks, there's a fair value gap up here. And the reason it's important is it's the order block fair value gap combo, right? Now, I use, and I'm going to give full credit to Trade with Will. Full credit. If you've never seen his videos, so the way that I use an order block is it's the highest closing bar that sets the stage. Are you guys ready for magic? Watch this. Now, and I want to remind everyone, when you watch the video back, you're going to hear that I literally told everybody, all right, this is where you get out. If you're long, get out. Watch this. Watch. Let me put it back here. I'm terrible with the control of this thing. Okay, so now I'm just going to move. Watch this. Watch. Once we turn around, remember, we were just watching the beginning of this video, or just a few minutes ago, we were talking about how when it turns around on the 2-minute chart. Okay, so watch. See how it's inverse fractal, right? Watch. So here I start going, hey, look, if it's going to go, if this, right, because right now is where I would be trying, the old losing me would be trying to short the market, and this is where I would get my head handed to me 100% of the time. Watch this. But more importantly, right here, I start saying the exact numbers of where it's going. Watch this. Now, I don't know if you can see that. I can't make this up. You have the same charts as me on TradingView. Look at this. Okay, so now it was 4075. I misspoke and I said 25. Oops. Okay, so what? Look at this. Okay, now it's not, oh, hey, look at me. It's, okay, what YouTuber are you learning from? Because watch this. All right. And so we played it as such, right? It was everybody was short. Wait for the pullback to the 20, short. Okay, we go above, everything turns perfect, everything, right? Fractal, 8, price, 20, perfect. The target was the 200, right? And it couldn't get past the prior inefficiency in the market. So now tomorrow, overnight, can they get through the 5640s? Folks, that's going to do it for me. I'm absolutely exhausted. Let's give a shout out. When you guys get to watch this video, I want you to give a shout out to Madi. It's Elijah's younger brother. He's doing all of the editing. He has learned it from scratch. I would like everybody that watches this video to say thank you, Madi. Even if you think I'm full of shit, thank the editor. I appreciate every one of you that are watching this. All of you that are new, we do this every single day, day in and day out. Nothing changes. The market is not a coincidence. That's going to do it. I'll see you. Good night.